EasiPart XL was designed with the fashion-conscious women in mind. Whether she's looking for something to add volume to the top of her crown or she's experiencing the beginning stages of hair loss, we tried to make it as virtually undetectable as possible with a very fine denier of hair to mimic her own. It is completely the most natural piece you'll find on the market today. We're really excited to launch this piece. To apply Easy Extend XL, start by opening the pressure-sensitive clips, all 4 of them, about an inch back from the hairline. Close your first clip, the back clip, and then finish with the 2 side clips. And blend with your own natural hair. And then to remove, it's a snap. Simply unsnap all 4 clips, and off it comes. It's that easy.